AI-GENIX's business model empowers small and marginal farmers with pesticide-free crop protection, while enabling corporates to meet CSR goals through regenerative farming and carbon credit programs. AI-driven pest management uses patented insect communication technologies to replace chemical pesticides, reducing costs and health risks for farmers. Precision crop protection ensures higher productivity and resilience against diseases. Farmers avoid expenses linked to synthetic pesticides, purchase, transport, application. Promotes chemical-free food production, improving soil health and long-term farm viability. Corporates can invest in AI-GENIX programs to support farmers adopting regenerative practices, earning verified carbon credits. Partnerships allow companies to demonstrate climate responsibility by funding sustainable agriculture projects. Corporates can sponsor large-scale adoption across farming communities, amplifying both social and environmental benefits. AI-GENIX enables measurable climate action through two pathways. Eliminating synthetic pesticide use avoids 525 kg GHG gas emission per hectare per season. Soil-enhancing protocols naturally sequester 500 kg GHG gas emission per hectare per season. Together, this creates a dual benefit, reducing emissions while storing carbon in soils. Encourages biological activity and organic matter buildup. Practices like direct seeded rice reduce water usage and methane emissions. Lower input costs and improved yields increase income, especially for smallholders. Regenerative methods are increasingly validated in carbon markets, making credits tradable internationally. Farmers gain sustainable tools to grow better crops, while corporates achieve CSR and carbon credit targets through regenerative farming partnerships. Let's connect on info@ai-genix.com for exploring synergies and possible collaborations. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to explore inspiring stories, innovative ideas, and exciting updates. Don't miss out, hit the subscribe button and be part of our growing community.